Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What chemical has the formula CH4? Is it A. Methane, B. Potassium nitrate, C. Iron oxide, or D. Calcium sulfate dihydrate? The answer is A. Methane.
Methane, CH4, is not just a simple gas, it's the primary component of natural gas and a potent greenhouse gas. Surprisingly, cows are significant methane producers due to their digestive processes, contributing to climate change more than all the world's cars combined.
Question 2. What is hippology the study of? Is it A. Whales, dolphins, and porpoise, B. Skin, C. Horses, or D. Safari animals? The answer is C. Horses.
Hippology, derived from the Greek words hippos, horse, and logos, study, delves into everything equine, from horse anatomy and breeds to their behavior and care. This fascinating field even includes understanding the historical significance of horses in human civilization, making it a treasure trove for horse enthusiasts.
Question 3. What would you call a female donkey? Is it A. Azor, B. A doe, C. A vixen, or D. A jenny? The answer is D. A jenny.
A female donkey is called a jenny. Interestingly, jennies are known for their incredible memory and can remember places and other donkeys they met years ago. They also have a unique bray that can be heard over long distances, making them excellent communicators in the animal kingdom.
Question 4. Which comet causes the Orionids meteor shower each October? Is it A. Hypotension, B. Hale-Bopp, C. Halley's Comet, or D. Shoemaker-Levy 9? The answer is C. Halley's Comet.
Halley's Comet, the celestial celebrity that graces our skies every 76 years, is responsible for the dazzling Orionids meteor shower each October. As Earth passes through its dusty trail, we witness a spectacular light show from remnants of a comet last seen in 1986 and next expected in 2061.
Question 5. Which disease of the liver is associated with alcoholism? Is it A. Scurvy, B. Meningitis, C. Hepatitis, or D. Cirrhosis? The answer is D. Cirrhosis.
Cirrhosis, often linked to chronic alcoholism, transforms the liver into a battlefield of scar tissue. This scarring disrupts vital functions like detoxifying blood and producing essential proteins. Interestingly, the liver can regenerate to some extent, but with cirrhosis, it's like trying to rebuild a city in ruins, challenging and often incomplete.
Question 6. What is the scientific name for the red wolf? Is it A. Canis lupus, B. Canis aureus, C. Canis latrans, or D. Canis rufus? The answer is D. Canis rufus.
The red wolf, scientifically named Canis rufus, is one of the world's most endangered canids. Native to the southeastern United States, it was declared extinct in the wild by 1980 but has since been reintroduced through captive breeding programs. Its unique blend of coyote and gray wolf traits makes it a fascinating subject for genetic studies.
Question 7. What is kinesiology the study of? Is it A. Movement in relation to human anatomy, a branch of medicine? B. Cells. C. Interactions among organisms and the water cycle? Or D. Animals that may or may not be mythical? The answer is A. Movement in relation to human anatomy, a branch of medicine.
Kinesiology, the study of movement in relation to human anatomy, is like a backstage pass to understanding how our bodies perform everyday miracles. From athletes perfecting their form to physical therapists aiding recovery, this branch of medicine reveals the intricate choreography behind every step, jump, and stretch we take.
Question 8. What would you suffer from with hypotension? Is it A. Low blood pressure? B. Weak tendons? C. Tight muscles? Or D. Torn ligaments? The answer is A. Low blood pressure.
Hypotension, or low blood pressure, can make you feel dizzy and lightheaded, especially when you stand up quickly. In extreme cases, it might even cause fainting spells. Interestingly, some people with hypotension are advised to eat more salt, a rare medical excuse to indulge in salty snacks.
Question 9. What is the main tectonic fault line in California? Is it A. Desperado Fault? B. San Andreas Fault? C. El Mariachi Fault? Or D. Magellan Fault? The answer is B. San Andreas Fault.
The San Andreas Fault, stretching over 800 miles through California, is a colossal crack in the Earth's crust where the Pacific and North American plates meet. This infamous fault line has been responsible for some of the most significant earthquakes in U.S. history, including the devastating 1906 San Francisco quake.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the world of science and nature, knowledge is your best element. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders around you. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.